Here's how to make your own rattle drum for Chinese and Lunar New Year. You will need 2 paper plates, 2 pieces of ribbon or string, foil, sticky tape, a wooden stick or spoon, and some things to decorate your plate. First, tape your handle to the front of one of the plates. It needs to be really secure, so I'm using 3 pieces across like this, and then 2 long pieces either side of the spoon. Now tape your ribbon on either side of the plate. Take your second plate and place it on top, and then tape together. I'm taping it here at the top, and then twice more either side above the ribbon. Add some more tape where the plate meets the handle to make it stronger. Rip 2 bits of tin foil the same size. Tape the end of the ribbon onto the foil, then scrunch it up into a ball like this. Repeat on the other ribbon. Now it's time to decorate the rattle drum. I'm going to paint this one with red and yellow paint. There! I've painted stars on one side, and on the other side I've painted a dog, as this is the year of the dog. And that's it.
Oh, that looks great, Ryan.
Oh, and you can make another one to give to your friend. And don't worry, if you don't have a wooden spoon, you can use a pencil. Here you go, Rebecca.
Oh, thanks, Ryan.
Now there's just one more thing for us to do. Make some noise.
You can find lots more brilliant makes just like this one right here on the CBeebies YouTube channel.